there's a big word that runs around nowadays called behavioral analysis. My problem is I don't think that this really gets broken down for people enough. So we've put together a bit of a visual, and effectively, if you look at this, think of all of those little streams of data as individual users through a business, okay? All running through the exact same business, each one of them on their endpoint, running on Teams, running on Outlook, running on all of those different elements, okay? Now we come up to a problem. We've identified that there's a problem there. What we're looking at there is not a known breach. We're looking at a behavior that seems strange. We're looking at somebody accessing a file location that they haven't done before, or launching a PowerShell from a OneNote. Okay, all of these things that look strange. We've now got tools that identify that, and this is where some of the alert fatigue comes off, is that these tools go off all of the time. Okay, this sends through an alert to our security operations center, which gets human eyes to go and have a look at it. Okay. The next thing that we do is that we cut that off of the environment. We absolutely isolate everything that's happening on that computer now. Then we quarantine it. It's no longer got access to anything else in the environment anymore. Okay. We're making sure that the entire business is continuing. It's got business continuity all over the place over here. Everything else is fine, but that one endpoint needed to be looked at. Then effectively, we roll that to a time that it was in a safe location, and now the rest of the business can roll. Behavioral analysis is not about understanding what a threat is once it's already happened. It's about identifying any incidents that look out of place. And this is where we talk about the response is becoming really difficult to kind of prevent. People are logging in nowadays. So we have to be able to understand what's happening in the environment, not have I been breached already?